So here's another example of synthetic division, but it's a trickier one. So again, first we start off with the polynomial that we are dividing. So here we look at this and we make sure it's in order from highest exponent to lowest. 4, 3, there's no 2, and 1, and then the constant. So this is the reason why it's tricky, because there's no 2 here. So because there's no 2, we can assume that the coefficient of the x squared is going to be a 0. So we need to insert this in so that we don't forget that there's going to be a 0 as a coefficient of x squared. So here when I do the synthetic division, first step is, again, I write down the coefficients of the polynomial at 3, 18, 0, very important to put 0, -3, and 40. If you don't put 0 in here, you're going to get it wrong. And again, this is the reason why it's tricky, because the x squared is not there. And then we're going to divide this by x plus 7. So we ask ourselves, what is the 0 of x plus 7? The 0 of x plus 7 is -7, right? Because a -7 here will make this become a 0. So I put a -7 here. And then we proceed on with the normal steps for doing synthetic division. We first is drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. Then we multiply to get -21. We add, we multiply, we add, we multiply. Is that right? 21 times -7 is -147. And then we add, and then we multiply. And of course, you want to use your calculators to do the multiplication here. And then we add and we get 1090. And voila, we finish the synthetic division step. The last number always represents the remainder. And these represent the coefficients of our quotient, of our answer. So our answer is the quotient plus a remainder. So here the quotient is going to be, this is the constant, x to the first, x to the second, x to the third. So 3x to the third minus 3x squared plus 21x minus 150. And another way that you could remember this is to think that the highest exponent here is to the fourth. So when you do division, it's going to be 1 less than x to the fourth. So it'll become x to the third.